Hello friends, welcome to Solve Loop Quiz Challenge. Can you guess this brand logo before time runs out? Test your branding knowledge with easy, medium, and impossible logo challenges. Some are easy, but others may surprise you. Play with your friends and see who gets the highest score. Before we start, please subscribe. Let's go! What tech company uses this startup sound? Correct answer. That is Microsoft. Can you recognize the search engine sound? You guessed correctly, it is Google. Which global brand uses this notification sound? That is right, it is Amazon. Which company's logo has this magical sound? Correct, that is Disney. Did you get all 20 correct? Yes or no? Do you recognize this refreshing drink's signature sound? Correct, it is KFC. Do you know which burger chain logo sounds like this? Correct answer, it is Burger King. Can you guess the movie studio from this intro sound? You got it, that is Universal Pictures. Which legendary studio uses this dramatic sound? Correct, it is 20th Century Studios. What television network features this sound? That is right, it is HBO. Only real logo experts can reach this far. Which music streaming app has this notification sound? Exactly, that is Spotify. Have you heard this payment company sound before? Correct answer, it is MasterCard. Which chicken restaurant has a signature sound like this? Correct, it is KFC. Can you name the car brand from this signature sound? Correct, it is BMW. Can you recognize this premium auto brand sound? That is right, it is Mercedes-Benz. What was the hardest logo so far? Comment below. Which car brand is known for this sleek audio logo? Exactly, that is Audi. Can you name the brand behind this refreshing sound? Correct answer. It is Coca-Cola. If you enjoyed this challenge, check out our other Guess the Logo, Emoji Quiz, and Sound Quiz videos on the channel. Another fun challenge is waiting for you right now. Please, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.